In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Shopify subscription. What you have to do is just head over to admin.shopify.com, select the store that you want to cancel it on, and then what you can do is come down here where it says settings. So open this, let it load for a bit, and then select plan. Once you're under plan, you'll be able to see which subscription you're using, and then you just want to press cancel. So I only have the trial, so I can press cancel trial. But if you have another subscription in here, you can select cancel, and then you're just going to follow through. They're going to ask you a few questions like why are you canceling and stuff like this, and then cancel it, and then you're good to go. Now I think you can renew it again if you want to after, and your plan will still be hidden for like 1 or 2 years, I believe. So you can still get it back if you want later, but obviously no one can join the store, but that's how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.